So in this video we will talk about Optimism, and let me say you this that this is the official account of Optimism. As you can see, they have 198k followers on Twitter and they are following 44 people. So let me show you something that Optimism has posted something 21 hours ago that hates of everyone. We are seeing a lot of Optimism scam accounts crop up. Please be careful and ensure you are only interacting with this official Optimism account. So they have three accounts. First one is Optimism PBC, as you can see here. Let me mark this. Okay. Next, Optimism GOV. Click on this. This is the second account, and third one is OP Labs PBC. This is third official account. So if you want, you can join this. And others account are fake. Please don't join any fake account of Optimism. So this is the official account, and this is one latest update from Optimism where they are telling about their real account. And one more, that again stay tuned for a more detailed retrospective next week for the lesson learned and steps will be taken to ensure a much smoother airdrop too. And here they are talking about airdrop too. So now we will talk about the current price chart of Optimism in CoinMarketCap. So Optimism is the trending coin nowadays in CoinMarketCap, and here you can see the current price is started at 1.37, whereas price changes it has gone down to 3.46%. Now if we talk about trading volume is also down with 19.68%. But if I talk about a review, then what experts think? Experts think that this coin can reach $10 very soon. Now let me show you some sources from where you can buy Optimism crypto. So these are some sources like Binance, Huobi Global, KuCoin, Coinbase Exchange, Get.io. From here you can buy this Optimism, and here the pairs are given, like how can you get Optimism. If you want to get it from Binance, you need a USDT. If you want to get it from Huobi Global, you need a USDT. You can check all the sources here. Pause the video and check all the sources. Let me show you some more sources. One more thing, if you want to have an investment in any cryptocurrency, or if you want to invest in any crypto, then please do your own market research. This video is related to Optimism Crypto OP Coin. We'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video. Thanks for watching my video.